here at the Glitter Guy where we're revving up for Super Sale Sunday. Sunday. We've got deals. We've got premium glitter.
Excuse me.
We've got premium deals on
Excuse me,
premium
sir.
glitter. God, what?
How much for this one?
Listen, buddy, if you gotta ask, you can't afford it. Hey, let's show them the product. What's this? This ain't ours. Must be a trade-in. Let me show you some quality glitter right here. Fully loaded, to the top. We don't stop. Keep it coming. Come on, follow me. We got fusion glitter. These are hand-mixed bad boys. You can't find these anywhere else. Let's go. We got hat glitters. These semi-translucent crafted hands. And look at this. We got peach out on its off-white base. Look how beautiful that is. What do you get when you take countless glitters, put them on sale? Just so happens to be on a Sunday? I'll tell you what you get. Super Sale Sunday. See this bad boy right here? Fully loaded. Let's take a look inside. You kidding me? Again? We're wheeling, we're dealing, and with these sales, you're flat out stealing. This one here just came in, trade-in, complains heat under the hood. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I found a problem right here. We got another hot deal stuck in the intake. If you need glitter, I'm your guy.